How to install a door catch. In this case, we're going to need a new catch, a ladder, and pliers. For these types of doors that don't have a latch to fit into in the frame of a door, see, this doesn't spin, there's obviously nothing here. Like these doors, so that holds the door in place. In this case, these are held in place by door catches. So this door still has a catch right there. And it's held in place there. See? It's not super tight, it's easy to take out, but it just holds it in place. This one, I don't know what happened to the old catch, but it's not there anymore. And so it just doesn't really stay. Or, I mean, it does if you don't touch it or anything, but you can close it and then the other one opens. So now we're going to remove the old catch frame. Install the new door catch. These can be snug, so sometimes you gotta force it in there. So you don't want to put it in there too much because see, now this is too low and it's not doing anything. Gotta lift it a little bit. Like and subscribe.